Good morning, this is Paul Georgi from Allendale. It's September 21st, 2010. Outside markets, not a lot of movement here this morning, although the dollar is lower. We're down about 30 points right now. Chart-wise, it's sitting right on technical support area. If we break here much further, we probably going to hit some more stops here on the downside, but looks like it's held support so far. The crude oil down again, about 95 cents here early this morning. Stock market up slightly off of the building permit numbers that came out this morning in housing starts, so showing a little bit of improvement there. Nothing major, however, but giving us some strength here to the stock indices, at least shortly after that report. The weather today, not a lot of news. The GFS models are suggesting not much change in the weather here for the coming week. Should have some harvest continue throughout the Midwest. Some a think tank in China has suggested that any early frost in China would not impact the crop at all in the corn and soybean regions there, so there shouldn't be any losses due to the frost that is forecasted for here the next few days. The rains in Russia, there was some rain in the wheat areas, nothing in the south enough to give us an indication that the drought has been broken anyway. In the corn market, funds sold yesterday about anywhere between 7,000 and 5,000 contracts. The USDA did release the crop conditions report, kept it at 68% versus 68% a week ago. The harvest, however, they showed as 18% complete. That's well above the average of 10% and the 4% number of a year ago. Using those conditioned numbers and putting them into the Allendale yield model based on crop conditions, it's suggesting that we got a yield of 160.8 as far as the national average crop. So still well above the trade estimates that are now circulating in the mid 150s to provide the kind of support that we've seen here in the corn market. We expect corn to trade higher today. Funds and a little profit taking sold this thing off yesterday. We should see this market be supported on any kind of sell-off here this morning in the corn. The soybeans harvest there 6% complete versus or 8% complete versus a 6% average, 2% last year. Conditions there stayed the same as well at 63%. Funds were big buyers yesterday in the soybeans. Looks like they continued on that buying spree overnight, checking out this $11 area in the November soybeans, which appears to be more of a psychological resistance level than anything at this point. But funds continue to buy. Money flow continues to move into the soybean complex, and that's providing the support for the entire complex here today. The wheat market, not a lot of news. We had a rally yesterday, took out some technical stops above that 751 area in the Dees contract. Then we set back. The news out, UN FOA, Food and Agricultural Organization, is putting together an emergency meeting scheduled for September 24th that expected 100 countries to be represented there, concerned about food supplies, and they're meeting the needs of the less affluent countries that may have to import. So they're going to talk about that. The Hungarian wheat crop reported out down 15% from last year. News out of Russia again this morning is that they are not going to export anything until they get a handle on the complete production of their crop. Now the question this morning is that mean this year's crop or does it mean next year's crop? Putin's goal there is to cease stockpiling or stop any stockpiling of grain by individuals or companies, so they have an even flow and movement of grain throughout the year. So wheat market a little bit lower here this morning. Expect some two-sided trade there today as well. In the livestock complex, we got cattle product up 28 cents in the choice, down 98 cents in select, so we're seeing that choice select spread widen out here again, giving us an indication that we've got tight supplies of market-ready cattle. The offers offered by feedlots are anywhere from 100 to 101. Not any bids yet. We expect that we probably are going to trade in that $98 area again this week, although with the action that we seen in the futures yesterday where the market was sharply lower, it's going to test the stamina of the feedlots at this point. The pork complex cutouts were up yesterday 73 cents. Cash markets this morning are higher. Chart-wise, we're still in an uptrend. We're up against that resistance area, that $80 area. 79.60 we got as key resistance here today in the October hogs, with support around that 77.55. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale, 800-262-7538. We'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. We wish you a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.